Hi guys, this is Jason Jericho and this is the Zeroteek mini fridge from Amazon. Sorry that the shadow's in the way, but yep. On the back you can see it's the down light, which is to switch it on cool, and setting if you go on the right one, left one and go up, that's for fan. Yeah, so it's the Zeroteek mini fridge from Amazon. Try and open it with one hand. As you can see, I've already got some stuff in there and in the trays. Yep, it's good for what it does. It does keep the items fairly cool and cold, which those are pretty cold. Them, that don't really feel cold. It's sort of the top and the bottom part of the fridge. It's kept my tablets cool there. But for what it is, I've got to say I'm impressed. Right, I shall come round this way. So I've got it next to my bed. This is without the shadow. As you see, you can pick it up with the holes on either side. Yep. So it's the Zeroteek, sorry, not Zeroteek. Yep, and that's another view from it. Of course, I've got my soy milk in the back. Yep, it's bottom is cold as well as the sides, and the back is. And there seems to be some like air coming from somewhere, which is for the fan. So if you want to get it yourself, it's, you know, reasonably priced in Amazon. And some people say not to have it on too long, but because I've got stuff in it, I'll leave it on, it keeps it cool. And you've got two modes, you've got slow, eco, and then you've got the I one, which keeps it cooler for longer. Anyway guys, I hope that helps. It's the Zeroteek from Amazon mini fridge. And I'll put the link in the description as well. Bye for now.
I'm really pleased with this air conditioning unit. Here's the remote. I've got it on cooling mode and I've just used the remote to turn the temperature down to 17 degrees. The design is really slick and neat. Here's the hose that takes the hot air and pumps it out the window. And we've got the vents here that you can actually angle to any height that you desire. So really cool, really flexible. Various different speed settings and cooling and dehumidifying settings, and also a fan. Really impressed. Fantastic value for money, portable, it's on wheels, really happy with it. So totally recommend that you get this air conditioning unit. You will not be disappointed, especially for those really hot days in summer.